The student can have great functionality with all the controls while using a variation on the popular spinner knob theme. Looking for where the road goes, and you can see just how functional this little piece of equipment is. As the vehicle straightens up, we can drive down the road with perfect mobility, cancelling our indicators. Demonstration, Bluetooth, left-hand throttle control for people with mobility issues on their left side. You can see that both hands can be on the wheel, and it makes it quite easy for the driver to have fine control skills on their accelerator for